In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage inventory in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're just getting started or looking to refine your inventory management skills, this guide will walk you through the essential steps you need to know. Let's dive in. First, go ahead and log into your QuickBooks Online account. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to create one and set it up correctly before continuing. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your control center where you can access all the features QuickBooks has to offer. Now focus your attention on the left-hand menu panel. Here you'll see an option labeled Inventory. Click on that to open up a world of inventory management tools. This section is critical for keeping track of all your product details. Once you've clicked on Inventory, you'll find yourself at the Inventory dashboard. It's designed to give you a comprehensive overview of your stock and helps in organizing these details efficiently. For an easier and more precise way to navigate your items, the filter option is a fantastic tool. Use this to isolate specific inventory items based on various criteria, like categories or stock levels. This can save you from sifting through countless items and streamline your process significantly. Once you've found the item you want to adjust, you'll have several options. You can adjust the quantity, manage its reorder level, change its status to inactive, or even assign it to a different category, depending on what suits your business needs at the time. To reorder items, simply click the Reorder button. Here you'll need to input the necessary details like the amount to order, any specific supplier information, and other relevant notes to ensure a seamless restocking process. Make sure to double-check these details for accuracy. When you've completed your entries, you can save your work by clicking Save and Close. This ensures your changes are stored securely and reflected in your records. It's a step you shouldn't overlook as it finalizes your updates and keeps your inventory up to date. If you need to adjust the quantity of an item, perhaps due to discrepancies or new stock arrivals, there's an option called Adjust Quantity. Clicking on this allows you to enter new quantities and other pertinent adjustments. Once again, you'll want to save your changes. Remember, QuickBooks Online gives you the flexibility to edit your inventory details anytime should you need to make further changes. Just navigate back through these steps to make revisions as necessary. With these instructions, you're well on your way to mastering the art of inventory management in QuickBooks Online. With practice, you'll find your workflow becoming more efficient, freeing you up to focus on other important aspects of your business. Happy managing!